Hey, I'm here today with another one of Jim's favorites. I am at Cypress Resort Marine on Petite Lake in Antioch, Illinois. This place has been hidden from me also. I've seen this beach as I drive by when I'm fishing. Everybody that goes by as they're heading north. And I always thought like it was some private place that I couldn't get into. You can get in, you can pay by the day and come on in. You wanna come bring the kids, play in the sand, play on the beach, launch your boat, this is the place to go. Stop and enjoy Petite Lake. What a beautiful place to hang out. Weekends are a lot of fun, nice and quiet on the weekdays. My favorite place to come and bring the family. Beautiful beach for the kids to hang out on. Hey, you want to have a family reunion and gather the whole family here? They'll let you buy out the beach for the day. There's even a corporate retreat. You can come up and have a corporate event up in their boathouse. They can house you. They've got tables, they've got it all set up for weddings, banquets, whatever you want. Looking for a weekday rental, you want to grab a cabin, enjoy the lake, put your boat in, you could probably still get in, but I'm telling you, if you want to book a weekend, they're booked out. You better call them today if you want something for next year. Come off of Grayslake Road, you're going to turn onto Herman, watch for the signs and pull in. Come on in and talk to Amanda, she'll show you around. This place is something you don't want to pass up. Another hidden gem on the chain of lakes. Cypress Resort Marine right on Petite Lake. Go to their website, check it out.